welcome back to the JMK Garage. As you may be able to see off in the distance there out the window, summer's come to an end, winter's quickly approaching, and down here I got my bikes lined up. Last weekend I tore apart the garage, stripped everything out, reorganized, got the dune buggy back down here, around this side, got the Eagle Talon up top there in the hoist, Volkswagen Beetle down below, Honda CB750 off in the back, and kids' bikes down here. I have not winterized my bikes yet. I'm still hopeful I can get out some more for some more riding, especially in the dirt. The Harley, I still need to wash it down from the last ride in the rain. Anyways, it's been a little while now since I've done a build video. I was expecting the next one to be on the Dyna, which should still be coming once winter's here and I'm officially done riding. But the other day I just picked up a little Honda 50 there. Essentially the same thing as what daughter has down there. Picked it up for a decent price. Doesn't look too bad from far away, but you get up close and it's pretty grimy and needs a lot of work. So wasn't really sure if I was buying that for our youngest son, who just turning 1 this weekend. He'll be getting a bike for his 3rd birthday too. Or if I use that as a little pit bike, just to play around on and use for the next Moto Meetup pit bike race. Just got the bike a couple days ago, and I've already spent more than I'd like to admit on parts. Over there I got new plastics. I've changed out the handlebar already, just with a BMX style bar I had in the basement on one of the other mini bikes. I just brought that one up from the basement too last weekend. So I got a few parts just to clean it up. Also, I just placed an order from Fat MX. It's where I got most of the parts from for my Honda Z50 build, 1969. And I bought a TB Parts 88cc big bore kit, as well as the cam, should get some decent power out of that thing. Alright, so I've got the bike running now. It ran when I bought it at idle, but it wouldn't rev up. Had to carb off and do a quick cleaning. But anyways, with the big bore kit also comes a larger carburetor. So all that will be going off. What I'm thinking I'll do is build that up into a nice little pit bike, have fun with it, myself or the wife. And then once our oldest, who has the pink bike down there, when she's old enough and ready for more power, we'll just swap the 88cc motor out of that bike into there. That way she's got that. Put that 50cc or 49cc motor into that one for our youngest once he's 3, and yeah, have some fun. So anyways, it's running now. Runs okay, actually better than daughter's. So just speed around on it maybe this weekend a bit. Take it down to the aunt and uncle's farm, have some fun. And then once the parts come in, strip it down, blast, paint, powder coat, all that fun stuff. And get it done, and then start on the dyno over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and let's see how this bike looks and runs once she's done.